boys and girls. This is the reason we're working on the pumpkin today. You hear that? Our baffle broke loose. This is a Dynaflow 40. It's been on here 14 years. And the baffle broke loose, so time to replace it. Well, out with the old, in with the new. The silver one's got a loose baffle in it, it rattles, which is more annoying than anything. That is a Flowmaster 40, and the one on the right is a Flowmaster 44. The way I understand it, it's actually supposed to flow a little better. So now we'll see what this thing sounds like with a straight pipe on it. Hopefully I won't blow anything loose. I guess one final thought on an addition I made to the truck was I had put an aftermarket air horn on here that had its own pump, and it was made out of plastic and broke. And so then I put on this bad boy's horn, and you gotta realize I'm in the garage, so it'll actually sound louder than it is, but it sounds pretty sick. So it just going down the road with the noise of the truck and traffic, you can't hear that so well. So this is my latest improvement. I think that ought to get their attention.